Hi, my name's Melissa and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic copper washer pendant frame, which you can build off of to make anything you like. I have a box of copper washers here. I'm picking the biggest one they have in here. It's 26 millimeters. And I'm going to texture this up first before we do anything. I have a stainless steel block. You can use anything flat and sturdy. I'm going to texture it with this chasing hammer. It has a ball on the end. That looks pretty good. Hammer it until you're satisfied with the texture. Okay, today I'm just going to show you how I throw a bail on it, and then you can do anything you want with it after that. I have some 20 gauge wire, and I'm going to cut two 6-inch pieces. Okay, let's get these guys straightened. I have nylon jaw pliers for that. Just pull it straight. Straight enough where they sit next to each other nicely. I'm also going to grab some weaving wire. I have 28 gauge copper wire here. And I'm going to weave this bail. It's my go-to. I really like the look of this woven bail. I can't hold on to it very good, so I'm going to use this clamp. This is a wooden ring clamp. And I'm just going to weave 1 inch with the modified sumac weave. But first, I want to anchor it on this lower wire here, about 3 times around. And I'm going to come up over the top, once around the top. Go back behind, go around the bottom one, and then up over the top, go around the top wire, go down the back, and go around the bottom wire, and just keep repeating. Over the top, once around, back behind, once around, over the top, once around, back behind, once around. Stop periodically to smush it down. And that's what you get. And just keep going. Like I said, I'm going to do 1 inch. think I mentioned the bobbin. This thing. This is a must for small gauge wire. For weaving, it is a must for wire management. Weaving without this is kind of a nightmare. Wires get all kinked up and tangled. So I was so happy when I found out about this. The wire comes out of the bobbin as you use it. Let's see where we're at. A couple more passes and we should be good. Just anchor it 3 times again like you did at the beginning. Smush it on down. I'm going to take a pair of bail making pliers and round this bail out. There's your bail. Now we just need to attach it to the washer. Okay, let's separate one of the pair of wires. Pinch your bail and then line up your wires. You get the pair in the middle and then the other pair alongside. And together we're going to start wrapping around the washer here. Without distorting the bail. Which isn't easy. And the trick is tightening these wires up without messing up your bail. Bring them through the middle of the washer. You can do that one by one. All right, so you can end it. You can bring them both to the back and end them both. These middle ones, you can bring them to the back, snip them off. You can do the same with these, or you can make a swirl. Just gonna pull them both out. So I'm going to snip them hopefully about the same. Taper them. Tighten them up. Okay, here we are. One copper washer pendant. You can leave as is, or like I said, you can build on it. You can add danglies down below, beads, crystals, danglies in the center. I'll link some videos where I've used copper washers. I'm gonna try putting some polymer clay on the bottom. I haven't tried doing the polymer clay on washers yet, but stay tuned. I'll be definitely doing that in the future. So that's it for me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.